Dow gains 400 points Thursday as Wall Street attempts a year-end rebound. Stock jumped on Thursday as investors headed into the final trading days of 2022. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 406 points or 1.2%. The S&P 500 gained 1.9% and the Nasdaq Composite climbed 2.8%. The Dow and S&P are up 0.3% each for the week, while the Nasdaq is near the flat line. Louis Navellier, founder and chief investment officer of a growth investing firm, Navellier and Associates, called it an abbreviated one-day version of a Santa rally. We were overdue for a rebound, and a lot of recent weakness may be explained by a further tax loss. Selling once the Santa rally didn't materialize, he said. We'll have a further view volatility into the new year with a plenty of uncertainty about whether a soft landing is possible and if not how much resolve the Fed will have to not pivot if it tip into a serious recession. Apple shares are rebounded after 4 consecutive days of losses, rising more than 2%. The market pushed higher early Thursday after the Labor Department reported an increase in jobless claims from last week amid Federal Reserve effort to cool the economy and in particular the labor market. First time filing for unemployment benefits totaled 2,25,000 for the week ended December 24th. According to the report, that was an increase of 9,000 from the previous week and slightly above the 2,23,000 estimated from a Dow Jones. The market action follows a broad sell-off during the regular session Wednesday as a recession fear weighted on investor sentiment in a losing month and year. The Dow lost 365.85 points or 1.1%. The S&P 500 fell 1.2% while the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.35%. The major overages are headed towards their worst year since 2008. The Dow has lost 8.8% while the S&P 500 shed 19.7%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq is the laggard of a 3 Dow down 33.6 as a investors dumped growth stock. Investors are anticipating an economic recession to materialize early in 2023 as evidenced by the 3 quarters of projected S&P 500 earning declines and continued defensive sector earnings, said Sam Stovall, chief investment strategist as a CFRA research. The severity of the recessions remaining in question. We expect it to be mild